Get ready for the game with a winning tailgate recipe brought to you by Honda.
There's no better way to stay warm at the game than with a piping hot meal, and my savory pulled pork arepas are the perfect dish to beat the chill. I'm going to take my pork shoulder and I'm going to rub it with a spice rub, and then you're going to brown it on both sides, and then you're going to add to that your onion, your garlic, some red pepper flakes, and some bay leaves, and then 1 beer. Then you're going to cover this, and then you're going to cook it down at 300 degrees for 3.5 to 4 hours. When that's done, you're just going to pull it apart. And we're going to put these on some arepas. So I'm just going to throw these on the grill. And once you get those warm, you're just going to build your arepas. Top that with a little queso fresco. Hit that with a little lime juice. And that is your pulled pork arepas. For this and other tailgate recipes, head to NBCPhiladelphia.com and search Honda Tailgate.
The most magical time of the year is also the perfect time to take home a new Honda. Hurry into your Delaware Valley Honda dealer today and you could get a great deal only at the Happy Honda Days sales event.